sallallahu ala habibina Muhammadin wa alihi wa sallam. Assalamu alaikum students, look at the board please. Focus your eyes onto the board. Fix your eyes onto the board and be serious. Be dead serious. Clear? I want dead serious student and sit properly, sit attentive. Sit actively. Sit up. Don't sit back. Look at this adverb phrase. Adverb phrase is a group of words that functions like an adverb. A group of words that functions like an adverb is called an adverb phrase is called adverb phrase. For example, basically this was adverb, okay? And this is adverb phrase. See, Ahmed ran quickly. Basically this is adverb, okay? So we'll go towards the adverb. First we'll define, explain what the adverb is. Then we'll discuss adverb phrase. Clear? Ahmed ran quickly. How Ahmed ran?
Quickly.
Adverb answers question. How? He is coming now. When is he coming?
Now.
Which question it answers?
When.
He is coming at this very moment. When is he coming? What is this group of word called? Group of words is called adverb. Why this is adverb? Why this is adverb? Because it is single word. It is a single word, okay? Single word is adverb and group of words is because it replaces adverb. Clear? Next one. The arrow fell here. What is this? Why it is an adverb? Answers question where. Speak one by one. It answers question where. The arrow fell here on this part. What is this? Why it is adverb phrase? Because it is a group of words and it's answering the question where. Next one, no issue, no problem. Clear? Turn the flashlight on if you need it, okay? Next is noun phrase, the group of words that acts as a noun is called a noun phrase. It is usually the subject or object of the verb. Clear? The boy wants an object of the verb wants. This is the object. Clear? Object of the verb wants. Clear? That is noun. Clear? A cup is a noun. Then the boy wants to go home. To go home, that is a noun phrase. Next one is adjective phrase. A group of words that acts as an adjective is called adjective phrase. Clear? For example, he is a wealthy man. What is a wealthy man? Why it is an adjective? It shows the quality of a man. Clear? He is a man of great wealth. A man of great wealth. What is a man of great wealth?
Adjective phrase.
Why it is an adjective phrase? It's a group of words that functions like an adjective. Clear?
Yes.
So I hope that you must have understand it. Okay? Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Allah Hafiz.